Hello student, I am Priya Singh from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching mathematics to standard of 9. In previous video, we studied about the chapter number 2, that is polynomial, and complete our chapter. Now in this part, we start our new chapter, chapter number 3, that is coordinate geometry, part 1. Here we start our chapter with introduction. Our chapter name is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. So it has two words, coordinate and geometry. First word, geometry. Geometry in that have two parts, geo and metry. Geo means shapes, like any shapes we study in our earlier classes, and metry means measuration. That means in geometry we study about the measuration of shape. Next word is coordinate. Coordinate means address or position. Address or position means every line, curve or shape. We have line, curve or etc. any shape is made up of points. All that have different points to create this shape, curves or line, and this point we show in graph or plane. We have to show the line in our graph. That means we have show these points on graph. That means all those points have address. All those points have address on graph or plane, and this address is known as coordinate. So then what is coordinate geometry? For that, one question in our mind, what is coordinate geometry? In coordinate, algebraic expression which we show in Cartesian plane or graph is coordinate geometry, and it used to show the position of point on plane or graph. This study was developed by the French philosopher and mathematician René Descartes. René Descartes, the great French philosopher and mathematician, he solved the problem of describing the position of points. What the points in graph we locate, he described the position of point in a plane, and the system used to describe how to describe this point in graph. This system, the position of a point in a plane is also known as the Cartesian system. Means the system used to describe the position of a point in a plane is also known as the Cartesian system. It means in graph we denote the points in x-axis or y-axis. This system is known as Cartesian system. Next, in maths we studied the many branches in that. Means first we study about algebra, geometry, arithmetic, measuration, and the last branch is also coordinate geometry, which we have studied in our chapter. In algebra we study about the variables and the operations of variables. In geometry we study about the shapes, 2D, 3D shapes, etc. And in arithmetic we study about the numbers and the operations of numbers. Means 2, 3 plus 2 means 5 minus 3 is 2, etc. In measuration we study about the measurement of the shapes like area, volume, radius, diameter, etc. So the another branch is also is coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry we study about the position or the address of point on Cartesian plane or graph. In this chapter, we study the basic concept of coordinate geometry. You will study more about this in your higher classes. Now we study about the first topic, the position of an object or point. We study about here position. What is the position of a point in plane or any surface? For that, we take one example. We start to solve exercise 3.1 question. Exercise 3.1 question number 1 is given by: how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? Means we have described the position of a lamp on our study table, and the position of this lamp we have described to another person. In solution, first we draw a plane, because the top view of table surface is look like the plane surface. So we draw a plane like this. So this side be the longer side and this side be the shorter side. So here we at the time we doesn't know about the Cartesian plane, so we simply say this be the longer and this be the shorter, and we start to simplify by using these two sides. So for that, first we set our position where we sit here, and now starting to describe the position of a lamp to another one, we start to describe this with our sitting where we sit. The lamp for the answer of the coordinate of this table, we see the lamp is 9 units away from the sitting place. Here we start to calculating the position of lamp. We move upward and we get 9 units away from our sitting place. So it be the shorter side distance we measure, it be the 9 unit, and then we get to left side, the longer side. So we travel and we get the 4 unit distance from the longer side. So the coordinate of our lamp on table is 4 and 9 from longer side then shorter side, or if we measure it from shorter to longer, then we write the order is 9 or 4. So we describe the position of our table lamp. The coordinate to another one is 4 9 or 9 4. Similarly, you can take another coordinate for the position of the table lamp. You take different measurement of this lamp with your sitting place. For that, first you have draw this rectangular plane, because all the table is either the top view is square or rectangle. So you plot the surface plane for that, and then by first to decide your sitting place, and then travel from shorter to longer way where you sit, and then measure it. You get the another coordinate for this table lamp. Next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is a street plan. Street plan means according question, a city has two main road. City has two main road. We describe these two main road which cross each other at the center of the city. At the center of the city, these two roads are along the north-south direction. So here we indicate it be the north and it be the south, and east and west direction. So it be the east and it be the west. And all the other street of the city run parallel to those road and are 200 meter apart. Means the distance of another roads be the 200 meter to each other, and it be travel parallel to each other, like north south and east west. So we draw the different roads we have the units. For that, there are 5 streets in each direction. Each direction has 5 streets, 5 single roadway, and using 1 centimeter, and we have given the unit 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. So we use this to draw for that. Then draw model of the city on your notebook. Represent road or street by single line. We have draw road or street by single line. So we draw our model like that. And another again, there are many cross street in your model. We have get the different cross street in our model. So question say a particular cross street is made by 2 street. Particular cross street is made by 2 street and running in north south direction, and other is east west direction. So first we take it be the north south, then other be the east west and east. So the given we have to refer the following manner. If the second street running in north south direction, second running north south, so for that we start to draw north south direction. We start here the first, it be the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, all be the north south direction, and then we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 east and west direction. According to the question manner, second street running in north south direction and fifth in the east west direction. Second north and south, it be the our second road street, and next for the other pair order for east west direction be the fifth street. So we write first, second, third, fourth, fifth, means here be the fifth. So this point be the pair of north south and east west direction, and it cross the point is 2 and 5, because the first order is north south and second be the, we write the order, first we take the variable of north south and second variable for the east west direction. So we write this crossing street be the 2-5 order. Using this convention, we have find the position. First, how many cross street can be referred to as 4, 3? 4 and 3. 4 means first we have north south using north south street road, and second we have used east west street road. So first 4 for the location, and how many crossing street refer. For that, first we find north south direction, 4th number road. So it be the 4th number road, and third position of east west. So third position of east west be the this side. So we write the position of 4 and 3 be 1 point, and no another point we get here. So the answer is only one cross street referred to as 4, 3, because here the direction is fixed and we doesn't travel another way. We travel only 4 and 3 order with using north south and east west direction. So here we get only one cross street. Second question, how many cross street can be referred as to as 3, 4? Now order is changed. We have find for the cross street for the order 3, 4. Again we find for the northwest north south direction and east west direction. So north south third number road is here, it be the north direction third number, and the 4 number for east west direction. So 4 number be this. So the crossing street is this point, and it be only 1 point. So for the 3, 4 direction we also get one and only one cross street refer us to 3, 4 direction. So here in this exercise we study about the position of any point or any object in our plane. So in next video we study about our new topic, Cartesian system. So you have to note down the exercise sum in your sums and the solution of this exercise in your notebook. Thank you.